How to reinstate your Poshmark account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can reinstate your Poshmark account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reinstate your Poshmark account, the only way to get unbanned and reinstate is to contact the Poshmark support and explain what actually happened. It is entirely possible that the ban was basically a mistake or a misunderstanding that needs to be cleared up. There's no guarantee that you will be unbanned, however, so just keep that thing in mind. Even after you contact the support team, there's no guarantee that they're going to actually reinstate your Poshmark account and then unban it. Now, first of all, just to take some steps, open up your browser, type in Poshmark support in your Google search keyword, and then tap on the first link, which is contact Poshmark here. Once you basically tap the first link, tap on visit support center button that you see. Once you tap on that option, again you can see contact support button, tap on it again. Once you tap on contact support, it will take you to the page where you can fill a specific form, and it is under this form where you have to explain in very much detail. So you can select category, and here you can select problem with order or whatever type of such as account, right? Once you select account, you can select subject, you can select your email address, your name. Here you can simply briefly explain and then make sure to give them their Poshmark account email address or maybe the username which was actually locked away or unbanned. And then after you give them enough reasons, if they think that it's reinstatable, they will be able to recover your account successfully. But just keep in mind that there's no guarantee for this, and this is simply how you can reinstate your Poshmark account. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.